All right, so how much does a patent cost in 2025? Hi, everybody. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. I put that book, a whole PDF of it, right below in the Bold Inventor's Kit. So download that link right now to get started learning about patents, how to get started on your invention. So this question is important. What does it cost to get a patent in today's world in 2025? And I'll break it down into three major sections of pre-filing, which is considering the eligibility, patent searching, and invention disclosure. And then there's the process of acquiring, meaning once you filed it, getting the patent from the patent office. And then there's post-grant costs included. Once you get the patent granted, cost to maintain it and enforce your patent. So up front, these costs are usually lower. I'll say on the ballpark of under $5,000. This diligence required is the invention disclosure, speaking with an attorney, learning about the process of what's involved, having that initial consultation, which usually will come with a small fee, $500 to $1,000, and then moving forward with a professional search, which could be well into the thousands of dollars to make sure that search report looks really hard at not just patent documents, but non-patent literature. And you get a nice opinion, sitting down with an attorney that knows this art, knows the field, that can tell you whether you should move forward or not with filing. That's section one. Section two is the preparation for filing. Once you filed it, getting an office action response, going back and forth with the examiner, and finally getting the patent granted. This section two can be the longest. I'm talking 2, sometimes 3 years if you're really taking a long time, fighting with the examiner, getting the right patent scope. So this section is often called patent prosecution, the acquisition of the patent. Here, I like to say between $10,000 and $40,000. Now, there's a lot of variability because complexity matters, and also how long you have to fight, and whether you have to do 2, 3, 4, or more office action responses. Sometimes you have to do examiner interviews or appeals of petitions to get the examiner to understand, appreciate your legal arguments, or make amendments to the claims. So there's even more variability in this section if you include international filing. But let's keep it straightforward. So we're at 5,000 pre-filing, call it 25,000 on average once you file and get the patent granted. Post-grant is this third section of fees. Over the course of a patent's life, let's say a utility patent, you can expect to pay on average $7,000 to $10,000 in just maintenance fees to the USPTO to make sure the records are staying proper. Now, those are really small in comparison to any type of cost to enforce your patent rights. If you want to assert rights on someone else, you'll want to make sure you have things in place such as an infringement opinion, a validity opinion, and sometimes even a freedom to operate prior to going to market to make sure that, yes, well, you have your own patent, are you stepping on anyone else's toes as you proceed into the marketplace? These are post-grant costs, and you can say on average between $5,000 and $20,000. There's a lot of variability here. I would have to say 5, 25, plus 10 on average. So if I'm doing math pretty quickly, I'd say $40,000. So it costs to acquire and maintain and enforce a patent in 2025. So I hope this was helpful and you understand each of those major phases. If you have more questions, please put them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to download that Bold Inventor's Kit that's got a copy of my whole book, as well as a great couple of guides to searching, application drafting, and monetization afterward. All right, everybody, take care and have a good rest of your day. Go big, go bold.